What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a really exciting, out of the ordinary diecast review to get into. We should have two things in this box, and we're going to take a look at them, and it's going to be pretty cool. Something new, kind of, to the channel. If you're a subscriber, if you know what I'm all about, NASCAR Diecast, technically, you can call these NASCAR Diecast, even though they're not. We're going to take a look. You'll see what I mean. You already know what I mean by the thumbnail and the title of this video, but just in case you clicked on it randomly, let's take a look and see what I mean. So, of course, I could never find these myself, so I had to get these online. I have no idea how long they've been out. Let's just get this out of the way. Okay, you know what? I might want it to be a surprise, so let's just move the box. I don't know how much I have to get into. Ooh, a lot of wrapping. Be right back. All right, out of the box. Got two things here. We're going to take a look at them. We're going to go over them. They're pretty cool. Okay, so here we go. We've got, first up, this is the M2 Machines Coca-Cola Chase Elliott number 9 diecast is what I'll call it for now. Hendrick Motorsports on the back. Coca-Cola, of course, all over the place. M2 Machines Chase Elliott number 9. There we go. So this comes with the 1973 Chevrolet Wedge truck and the 1973 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10. So again, no idea how long this has been out. Maybe somebody educated can tell me. I collect, very loosely collect, like M2 diecast. The soda ones, if they make a cool one. I like Sprite, Coca-Cola, the Cherry Coke. That has really cool ones. Never in my life will I find a Chase, but while I'm there, limited edition. That's how many pieces we got. Standard, we got a Chase version with 750, and we got a Super Chase with 250. And if eBay has anything to tell me, the Chases are like 500 bucks. So looks like I'm not going to get one of those off of eBay. So again, this is the first to look over here. We'll move this off to the side and get the second one, which happens to be the Coca-Cola Chase Elliott number 9 M2 Machines diecast. But this one, white box. So this one has the same amount of pieces made and same amount of Chase. No Super Chase on this one. Super Chase Elliott, if you will. So Hendrick Motorsports again. But this version comes with the 1968 Chevy C60 truck and the 1969 Chevy Camaro, which this looks a lot more like a standard NASCAR diecast release, if you will, as opposed to the truck model that goes off of it. Because this puppy, if you know anything, if you're subscribed to me, I'm sure you'll know, but this has the slid up number like the next gen car, Coca-Cola. Now, I don't plan on opening these, so this won't be like an extreme review or nothing. Just thought it'd be cool to get this on the channel because it's kind of rare, I guess. Again, I had no clue these were out. I just happened to see them on eBay and looked them up. Couldn't find much about them other than that's like the only place you can get them. So I did. So let's bring these two in. And, of course, leave a comment on which one you like the best. If you knew these existed. If you're subscribed to me and you're the NASCAR diecast fans, let me know if you collect other diecast. M2, I got Hot Wheels on the channel. I used to do Hot Wheels extremely often, but not too much anymore. So, while I got this here, I've got a custom from eBay. I've had this about 2 years. This is a 2024. He raced this car in 2024, and of course, Coca-Cola, Lionel can't make them. There is, I guess, the licensing stuff. So this is a custom from eBay, and I wanted to show it off with these because if I did open these, this car could actually be placed in either one of these and it would look really cool. But I do not plan on opening them. They'll just be displayed. So again, super cool. Just wanted to get this out on the channel because I had no clues these existed. But like I said, if you would leave a comment, which set you like better, I'll go ahead and say I like the top better. I actually like the box better too. I like the Coca-Cola and his name and number in red, as opposed to down here with the red box and it's in black. Even though, as you can tell, the actual race car, the number is in black. But so is it on, I mean, all the diecast themselves. The number's the right thing, Coca-Cola's the right thing. I just happen to like this box a little bit better. So, that'll about do it. If you would, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for checking this one out. And check back in for brand new NASCAR Diecast unboxing. And you might even find something crazy like this on the channel. Thanks for checking this one out.